Hello there, I'm here to try the GFB. These are the gluten-free Brothers Dark Chocolate Peanut Butter Bites. These are a plant-based, non-GMO product, and it's 110 calories per serving. Looks like 5 servings per container. So 2 of these are 1 serving. So give them a try. I'm not a huge fan of dark chocolate, but I'm trying to veer away from the milk chocolates out there to do a little healthier option. So, okay, right away, as soon as I unzip the bag, I could smell the peanut butter, like immediately. The peanuts are really pronounced in the odor. The bag looks pretty packed full. All right. That's what they look like. Definitely can smell the peanut butter. Can't smell the dark chocolate. I am going to see if I can break this open. Okay. I was able to break it open. Let me show you the inside. Right there. Alright. I get a slight sense of the dark chocolate. A little bit of that bitterness. Very peanutty. Dates, okay. I can tell there's dates in it. Partially from the taste, partially from the texture. It's extremely dense. The inside has a little bit of a bitter, crumbliness to it. I kind of like them, but I just wish that they were smaller. I wish that they were half of the size that they are. Now, if someone has fully functioning teeth, they could probably eat this and not have any difficulties at all. But if you don't, you're gonna wish that these were half the size as well. But flavor-wise, I don't mind the crumbly-ish texture. It's kind of got that like tacky stickiness. I guess that's from the dates. But yeah, I mean, or it could be from the peanut butter. Not sure. It's tasty. They're just kind of big. This would be really good crumbled over top of any kind of baked item. I think would be amazing. Hell, you could crumble this over any kind of ice cream as well, I think, and it would be, ooh, over yogurt. This would be really good. Hell, you could crumble a bunch of this up and then just pour in some milk and have it like a cereal, I bet. I mean, it is tasty. It's just kind of bulky. If you've ever had this product before, let me know what you thought of it. I would recommend it to others. I really would. And I don't know, I can't say if I'll get it again yet. After I see if I go through this, then I'll know if I'll get it again. But I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I will link it below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.